Hi guys, welcome back to Dish So Sweet. Today I'm making sweet and sour chicken sauce. So guys, let's get cooking. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, go subscribe, okay? You are not going to be disappointed. And to all our new lovely subscribers, I say welcome, welcome, welcome. I've got some chicken strips here that I sliced out of 2 chicken laps. Now I'm going to add some salt into that, some seasoning powder, some Cameroon pepper. You guys know I love Cameroon pepper, right? Some ginger and garlic crushed nicely, and some soy sauce. Give that a good stir and we'll cover with a cling film. Place into the refrigerator to marinate for about an hour. If you have time, you can do this overnight. Absolutely, that will be amazing. You know, the more you marinate, the more infused the flavors are and the more amazing your dishes are. So yes, I say yes, yes, yes to marinating, darlings. So guys, I'm going to place this in the refrigerator like I said earlier. So next, into a bowl, we're going to add some ketchup, along with some honey, vinegar, cornflour, and some water. Then we're going to mix that up into a paste and set that aside. We're going to be using that later to make the sauce. So while the chicken marinates, I just do this, set it aside, and prep all my vegetables. So guys, if you're wondering what to pair this with, you can pair it with some white rice, jollof, fried, spaghetti. You can pair it with anything you like. So this is the marinated chicken. You can see the ingredients are well infused now. So I'm going to sprinkle some corn flour into that. Give it a good stir. And we are going to fry. So I have placed some oil on the stove already. And I'm going to transfer this into that and fry for about 10 minutes. You didn't want this to be crispy, but you want it to be cooked all through the way. So after this, I'm going to reduce the oil just a little bit so our sauce doesn't become oily, because it doesn't require a lot of oil. And then we are going to make our sauce. So guys, I hope you enjoying watching this. Please click the subscribe button and also click the like button before you leave. And you can also leave a comment. I would love to hear what you have to say about this recipe. And do not forget to tag us when you give it a try at Dish So Sweet. So guys, after that, we are going to make our stir fry by adding some chopped onions. Stir fry that for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add some crushed ginger and garlic. I know we already add some ginger and garlic to the marinated chicken, but this will help to infuse more of the ginger and garlic flavor. We want to give that a good stir. After which we're going to add our vegetables. And we are almost done. So you had your green pepper, red pepper, carrots. You can use any vegetables actually. I chose to use this. You can use, spring onions. Think of anything, you can use it. So give Give it a good stir. Let that also, infuse some of those flavors that we have already infused into the sauce, and then you add the paste we made earlier to that. Give it a good stir. Let it steam up for about 5 minutes, and you have your sauce. Simple and ready in no time. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I hope you get to give this a try, and do not forget to tag us at Dish So Sweet with your results, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Subscribe, show some love to Chef Beam, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.